Sorry. I know I look absolutely disgusting and my hair is weird. But I just woke up and I went to go check on the bird and she's hungry. So this is just a bird update. Yeah, we'll be meeting her for the first time. She's been doing good, as you can hear. What? Look at her white flapper wings. Good. So you can tell she's hungry right now. And she's been getting, last night she didn't have hair. And she grew so much hair on her stomach. Like it's about to be covered up. So I'm gonna show you what I've been feeding her. Sorry if I sound horrible. I'm sick. But what I've been feeding her. I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's not that hard actually. So I've been feeding her this, but I'm making a new one. So. Alright, what you need is a cup. And something to mix it with. Sorry guys. Alright, so you need a cup. So I'm gonna mix it with water and baby cereal. Maybe I have some mealworms here too, extreme tea. So I'm just gonna feed her this as a snack real quick. Mealworm. What I do is just pick her up and put her in my hand and see. She wants it. But she's kind of like just wanting to look all over the place. Oh, look. You made me drop it. She wants it right now. Let's see if I can get her to. You want it? Just kind of like, here. Okay, so she doesn't want that in there, but I'm gonna just hurry up and make that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour the cereal in. Or the oatmeal. And I just pour, you don't want to do it before because I did that yesterday and it didn't turn out good. So just pour a little bit in. And just mix it real good, make sure I get everything. My dog right now is right here watching me, so. And that's how it looks. And that's probably very easy, guys. I could put mealworm in, but I don't want to. And I just gather it on my hand. Tear it apart. Or I could use a fork, but I don't have a fork with me. So I just take her and just... Okay, so she wants it, but I'm gonna put a little bit more water in there. Cause it's kind of hard. She kind of doesn't want it. She wants it, but it's not the right formula. So, and I'm gonna try to make it a little more liquid. Mix it up. Just trying to fly. Okay, so I guess she's not hungry right now, but that is it. That's all I really do. I can also put mealworms or feed her mealworms, but yeah, and she's learning how to fly. I'll let her walk around out here. She's learning how to sit up, for once, because she hurt her leg and she hasn't learned. She might poop. The wind is kind of hitting her, so she's like, come on. You got it. Sit up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop. And I just put her back in there. And I cover her up. I put towels because it's kind of... Then I covered her up in a little blanket of my shirt that I cut up for her. That's just a little weird of me because I spilled something, her food there once. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked yesterday's video. I'm gonna try posting daily. Not that often, but trying. I'm trying, guys. Since it's now summer, we're gonna be trying it. I'm also gonna show you what I've been doing to not bite my nails. They're actually pretty long for me, and they're getting really these are longer. Can't wait. Bye.